From the QA Archive. Introduction to QA. Testware Traceability.
Traceability. As we have touched on previously, the names of testware items may vary quite a lot from company to company. If these testware items are not organized correctly or linked to each other in some kind of way, then their effectiveness can reduced or even made redundant entirely. This is why effective monitoring and control must be observed. This can be achieved via good traceability between all elements of the test basis.
Good traceability can be accomplished by adhering to the following: analyzing the impact of changes, making testing auditable, meeting IT governance criteria, improving the understandability of test progress reports and test summary reports to include the status of elements of the test basis, relating the technical aspects of testing to stakeholders in terms that they can understand, providing information to assess product quality, process capability, and project progress against business goals.
Some companies will utilize their own management systems and processes to organize their work products and create the level of traceability that they need. Also, there are test management tools on the market today that provide test work product models that cover all aspects of the TestWorks products we have covered in this course. End of lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe.